Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my channel. Today I am very excited to share an unboxing with you. I had the opportunity to order from the new Lewis and Clark collection by Chic Sparrow for an early review before it was released. So without further ado, let's open the box. Alrighty, I am so excited to see this for the first time in person. Such a pretty box. Let's see if I can gently lift up all of the contents without ruining anything. Alright, so what I know is there are two major designs. This is kind of like a tri-fold traveler's notebook. It comes in 3 color choices and 2 design choices, and should be released Friday the 12th. So there's probably more information in here, I'm assuming, but I cannot wait. I really want to open up this goodie right here. Wow. I love the dust bags, as always. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Let's see, I'll just turn this here. Alright. So, I did choose the Lewis. There's a Lewis and there's a Clark. And that depends on the design. They're very similar though. And there's a couple other options, but let me go ahead and pull it out and then we'll talk about it. Oh my goodness. Yay! It's so beautiful. Oh yes. Okay. Now this is in the Austen leather. And I chose the color Bennet, which is kind of a cool brown. And now the difference between the Lewis and the Clark is this design right here where this snap is. So as you could see, mine kind of dips down and has this little divot in a way, and the Clark has more of a straight across stitching with the button right in the middle. So it really just depends on your style, and this is what totally caught my eye. I don't know, I just loved this look, this design here. So one of the features I noticed right away on the back here is the zipper. And it does say Chic Sparrow right there. How fun. Oh my gosh. By the way, I could smell it. It is delicious. Oh, so lovely. There is a gusseted edging there, if you could see that. So it does allow for you to kind of really pull out the pocket. Hopefully you could see that there. So I'm sure you could fit actually quite a bit of goodies in there. Be interesting to play with that and really get an idea. I think I heard that even the iPhone Plus will fit. Another option that you have with either both the Lewis and the Clark is whether or not you would like to have a strap. An adjustable strap that is adjustable. It's adjustable, it's removable as well, which is why there are these 2 snaps right here. This is where you add your strap. Now, you don't have to have it. You could just have this traveler's notebook right here, which, as you can see, this is where the elastics are for inside. and it does have matching stitching. If you do not want to do the strap, that's fine. I believe it'll have nothing at all. It'll just be a nice smooth edge. So I'm really ready to pop it open and see what it's like inside. All right, so here is the first flap of the trifold, and I see pretty much right away a pin loop. And on the other side here we have the card pockets, and you have the 3 and then the slip. And I believe the card pockets were chosen this way because say you go to open it, you can easily pull out whatever you have in the pockets from this direction. And this obviously has its, so cute, has its own little mini pouch. This must be the strap. Matching color here. Oh, that's so cool. All right, so they're like little buttons. It is adjustable. So here's where you can slide it, kind of like a belt or any other adjustable strap you may be familiar with, like on a handbag. There you go. Takes a little bit of strength, and oh, well, there you go. You're gonna get some character, obviously, on your leather. I just pulled on it there and got a pretty big scratch from where this, if you could see, this metal piece has a little kind of a little gap, and it caused a scratch when I tried to pull and adjust. I don't know if you can avoid that or not. Didn't really seem like it was too easy to do that, but hopefully you could rub it out. I mean, obviously Chic Sparrow leather comes with a lot of character, and if you know the Austen line, it does mark, it wears and tears, it shows the love as you use it, so that is kind of to be expected. There is also this really cool little slip here, which I think can be used as a folio pocket. And this is the size of an A5. So if you have like a Moleskine in an A5 size, or the Leuchtturm, or any other A5 notebook, it should be able to slip right in there. And you have your 4 elastics for any other notebooks. Now this is an A5, but anything that is of that height, meaning a wide or a narrow notebook, would also fit. So any inserts of the narrow or wide or A5 will fit in this trifold. So once you fold it up, it's just nice and secure in there. And snap it. Yes, I really like it. It's so cute and functional. It makes me want to put some of my sketchbooks in here and like go on a nice hike or something. Oh yes, I could just see so many options. Now I haven't tried this, so I'm going to do this real quick. Looks like these snap right in there very easily, so that's good. There we go. So there's the adjustable strap. How beautiful is that? So much fun. Yay! So that is the new Lewis in the Bennet color in the Austen line. And I just think it is so awesome. I'm going to take a peek in the envelope, see if there's any more information. Okay, in my envelope here, I got a really cute new sticker of the Lewis and Clark in the kind of the two browns. So that will be fun to keep. We do have this card here, which basically explains that this full grain leather. Full grain leather has a lot of natural characteristics. It may make it look imperfect, but it is imperfectly beautiful. And if you want to, you could pause on that and read. I was told the release date, which is launching worldwide on June the 12th. And I have a special coupon code that they sent. I'm going to link that down below. It is MomNextDoor CS10. And that will give you 10% off plus free shipping on all orders. I will be putting that code down below, and of course a link to the Chic Sparrow website so you could check them out and all the lovely items that they offer along with this new Lewis and Clark line. I hope that you enjoyed the unboxing and are excited for this new release. I am. I just cannot wait to take this out. Literally a traveling traveler's notebook that I could either wear, and then if I'm not in the mood, remove the snaps very easily. It's beautiful, beautifully made. I love the idea of it, that you can slip in a book here and your 4 elastics, 3 cards, and a slip pocket. And I love the zipper compartment on the back. I love that it is gusseted, so there's extra room there. So a lot of choices, so beautiful. Go ahead and check it out, and let me know if you liked the unboxing, if you want to see what I do with it in the future. Don't forget to hit subscribe. All right, until next time, bye-bye, my friends.